Hi guys. So for today's video, I wanted to do a what I eat in the day, and I'm just gonna go through exactly what I eat today. So it's about 9:45 right now, and I'm gonna make breakfast. All I usually eat for breakfast is either I'll eat a keto muffin that I make, but I'm out of those. So today I'm going to have 3 eggs and 2 pieces of spicy sausage. So let me get to making that. So it is like, excuse my hair, I'm letting it air dry, but it's about 3:30 right now. I got carried away with work, so I didn't eat, I guess I didn't eat. So I'm gonna eat a lunch right now just to hold me over till dinner. I'm gonna make it small, so I'm just going to do a salad with a half a cut up, less than half a cut up bell pepper, and some salmon. And I'm gonna put this homemade it's a dressing, but it's mainly just coconut oil and seasonings with a little bit of, my dog's barking, sorry. It's just mainly coconut oil, melted butter, and then like Italian seasoning to kind of mimic an Italian dressing. If you want, I'll just include it in this video, so I don't have to make a separate video just for that. Makes sense. So yeah, let me make that for you guys. So I ate about half the salad. I tend to make really big salads. My eyes were definitely bigger than my stomach, so yeah. I may eat this for my dinner, so I may just hold off on changing it in my app, but that's typically what I do. So if I make something and I don't finish it, I usually just change it in the app and either save the leftovers for dinner or save it for lunch tomorrow. Either way. I think that's the one thing about keto that a lot of people, it's kind of give and take. Like, a lot of people do keto because you don't have to eat the salads and you don't have to eat the vegetables and you can still lose the weight, which is perfectly fine. But I personally love vegetables. It's just the traditional diet. Even when I eat healthy and work out, for some reason I just don't lose weight. I don't know why. But I do lose weight with keto. So this is just to show that, hey, if you want to eat vegetables on keto, you can. I also really love salads during the summer just because it's hot outside. Like right now it's 98 degrees outside, and yeah, I just eating meat right now. This was nice and cold, hit the spot. Yeah, and I'll probably eat the rest of this later, so I'll tune back in with you guys when it's time for dinner. Bye. Hey guys, so it is later on in the day now. It's about 6:30, so I'm going to have dinner now. For my dinner, I'm going to finish the rest of the salad that I did not eat for lunch, but I'm going to be showing you guys what I would have been eating if I would have finished my salad. So my husband is going to be having 2 pork chops, cauliflower mashed potatoes, bacon, and then candied bacon Brussels sprouts. So everything's pretty much prepped. The only thing I have to make is the Brussels sprouts, so I'll show you guys how to make it. Okay guys, so like I said, the rest of my dinner is gonna be the leftovers from my lunch. And then I'm gonna have about a cup of Brussels sprouts and bacon. And then my husband's gonna have what I was going to have for dinner, which is 2 pork chops, Brussels sprouts with bacon, and then mashed cauliflower. Sorry about that noise, that is my dishwasher. So I did eat dinner with my husband. I had almost the rest of that salad, and then I had about a half a cup of Brussels sprouts and the equivalent of probably like a slice and a half of bacon because it was cooked into the Brussels sprouts, which was really, really good. Right now, that's all I'm gonna eat for today. I may have a snack later. If I do have a snack, it's probably gonna be something really fatty. I hit my fat macros for the day. The only thing I did not hit, I believe, is my protein. Let me actually check. Yeah, I didn't hit my protein, which isn't horrible. I'll work harder tomorrow to try to get closer to my protein. And by the way, if you didn't see the app that I was using this whole video, it was called Carb Manager. I don't pay for the premium version. You can. The premium version basically gives you more things that you can track throughout your day, and then also it gives you access to recipes, which right now I don't have access to those recipes. But how I get around that is people within the app will repost recipes that they do themselves, and so those aren't considered premium recipes because they're posted by other users of the app. So that's how I get around not paying for the app. But yeah, that was everything I ate in a day, and it's not the same. Every day is different. Tomorrow I probably won't have a salad for lunch. I'll probably have like beef and broccoli or something like that. Yeah, no 2 days are the same. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, share this video, like, and subscribe, and I hope you guys have a very great day. Bye.